Alright. Yo, what's good, YouTube? Here again with another. Don't make fun of my intro. See, that's why you can't make an intro around people. I should have known to walk away from y'all to make the intro. We are here on a nice sunny ass day. We got all 3 bikes out. You feel me? You see Wayne bike over there on the side. Can I use your name? I can't use your name. All right, what's your code name? Polo. My man Polo right here, right? He wants to. Yo, that's funny. My man's Polo right here is trying to learn how to ride bikes. Oh, he learned how to start it. Now you feel me? Oh shit! Oh, you gonna do it on concrete? Okay, my fault. Go ahead. It's gonna move if you let go of that clutch. It's funny because Polo here is a close friend of mine, a long old friend of mine. He knew me since I was a little youth, and I always wanted a dirt bike, and now he proud of me because I finally got one. Another thing too that niggas always forget to tell a nigga when he about to pull off, the brake. When you moving, right? Yeah, you can use that one, but like if something about to happen, you about to crash, don't squeeze it because you're gonna endo, you feel me? So use that foot one. But you gotta push it a lot, feel it. You gotta push it a lot before it even start to work. Look, right? When you got the bike on, all you gotta do, you got it in gear. Look, if you let go of the clutch a little bit, it's gonna start rolling. Just let it do that. Just let it start rolling. There you go. You damn near let it go, you feel me? Once you let it go, you can drive. That's what I'm saying. But that's how you go. You got it good. You just wait. You just got scared. You just got scared. You stopped giving it gas, and that's what you doing. Now watching him, that's what you just pull off, man. You gotta pull. You gotta just pull. You know what else it is? Yeah, you gotta be in an open area. Look where you pulling off at. You pulling off in a. Oh, all right, let's go to the ground.
This whole strip right here where you can't run into nobody. It's in gear now though. So when you yeah, it's already in gear.
Alright, ready? Oh yeah, take the helmet. Take the helmet. Yeah, this is the bike. Just forget neutral on this bike because it's just too hard. Kick down, make sure you over in first. Kick down a couple times. Start that bitch. Watch in. Alright. Like you already know, you want to ease up the clutch. By the time you basically about to be letting it go, right? You're going to feel it you rolling. And it's going to be, you feel me off of Wayne getting me tight. You want to ease up the clutch? Just let it roll. Don't even try to gas it. When it starts to roll, just roll around and get some bearings for that. You feel me? If you want to stop, hit the foot brake. Keep giving it gas.
brake right here. That's like,
Yeah,
literally like,
you can use this one, just don't use it too hard. Just use it at a steady pace. But now you're seeing, right? Now get ready to, now you good now. Now what you want to do when you going, shift up. What you want to do, stop gassing and then just kick this up, kick this up.
I don't think I'm ready for that yet. This shit mad hard to turn around. Like,
It is. Nah, that's why you gotta learn how to spin. So the roll.
so if I let go of the clutch right now, I'm gonna start rolling.
Let go all the way, it's gonna stall. You wanna let go a little bit.
Remember I told you to let it go till something moving?
Watch out. I ain't gonna try. I need a bike. Like,
You wanna try Wayne bike?
nah, hell
Wayne
no.
bike is different. You see how you giving it steady gas? You gotta beat it. Bam, 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 but you have to beat it. So you can try it. That shit heavy, I know. It's heavy, bro. Well, I'm trying to tell you how to do that. That's how you ease off the clutch. You know what I mean? Easing off. This shit still
Man,
giving
little,
it
I feel
gas.
like I gotta look down to see.
And
this
another
shit.
thing too, right? If you easing off, it don't matter how much gas you give it, it's only gonna go, it's only gonna roll. That's why I'm saying you just gotta give it gas, let it roll to as fast as it's gonna roll, let it go, and then you can start blah 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 blah. You know what I mean? Like, get a good roll on. Gas. Put the gas on. Give me a roll now. You know what I mean? Slow down, but the bike is gonna keep rolling unless you pull the clutch. You know what I mean? When you pull the clutch, and that's when you're telling the bike, yo, I'm trying to stop.
Nigga fake made me nervous. He's got to pull the car. I'm trying to turn around. Nigga like.
You done?
Nah, let go of the clutch.
Let go.
Yeah, just let it stall out.
I feel those eyes, but I don't think I can't switch it. I know I can't switch it. Like
You would. It's another thing too. First gear is the most torquiest
Oh
gear.
yeah, just staying in first.
Once
immediately
you
pick up.
leave first gear, it's not like
that.
it's getting normal.
how fast you gotta go before you kick up though. I wasn't.
Now, you could do
Once
it.
you're
You could
moving,
pull off
you
first
can
gear.
Gear is only your pull-up gear.
You want to keep riding?
And when you about to stop, you go to first.
Time.
You know what's funny? When I